There's a sword, we don't care about that right now. Let's get this back on here. Hey guys, right, welcome to another episode. Right, I've made this bronze sword as a plug. I've made the sand mold. It wasn't the best sand mold, not a very good sand mold, but we're still going to go ahead with it. So there is the sword we're going to make, and we're going to make it out of bronze. So let's get into it. Alright, so there's our crucible. I'm just going to put some. Here is my bronze swarf. I've got another 10 kilos. So just going to fill the crucible up with that. So we're going to get this crucible full, and then we're just going to pour it into the mould and see what happens. I don't know how it's going to go. None of us know how sand moulds are going to turn out, especially home jobs. Alright, here we go. We'll go put that in the furnace. Alright, there we go. Full as a gourd with bronze swarf. Alright, let's go. Here we go. To show you that bit, that's my favourite bit. I'm going to use a shoe because it's too damn bloody hot. A little bit more. We go this way now. There we go. So you can see that. Alright, I'll put you over here and we'll do this. Alright, here we go. Okay. Here we go. Bronze sword. Hope it's not a fail. and we got an ingot out of it. Alright, there we go. Oh, I hope that's not a fail. Anyway, I got one ingot out of it. Alright, there we go. We'll just let that cool down. We got one ingot out of it, 1 kilo ingot, and hopefully a sword. We'll just let that, yeah, we'll let that cool down and hope like hell. I don't know, this bronze always goes this raw black colour, so we'll see how we go. Okay guys, we'll put this away, put these over here. We'll get this ingot out first. There we go, we've got a bronze ingot. I don't know why there's always little hollow bits in it, but there is. Oh, there we go, we've got another bronze ingot. Alright. Let's check out this. I'll move you around. Let's see if this is a fail or not. I'll leave the frame in. I'm hoping that we can dig out this bit. Oh shit, feels a bit cool still. That's broken. Okay, that broke. Well, I've got to wreck it now, don't I? Oh, that bit broke. Oh god, I think it's going to be a fail. Is it a dismal fail? Oh god, it doesn't look good. Oh, it doesn't look good at all. It's like a bloody mess. Shit. It's a goddamn fail. Is it a fail? Not have to say it's a fail. I don't know, is it? Or we're going to be able to fix it? How long is it? Well, it's not the true design that I wanted. Ah, it's a bloody fail. Friggin' fail. Look at that. It's a goddamn fail. Wow, what a shit mess. What a nightmare that was. Look at that. Totally shit. What a nightmare. Get this out. Cool this thing down here and we'll see what the go is. Look at this bloody fail. It's a fail. Wow. What a bloody mess. Fuck. Not happy at all. Fucking shitty as fuck. Spent a lot of time on that and it's just a fail. Fucking fuck. Fucking fuck. Sorry for the language, I'm not happy. It's a bloody fail. Look at it. bloody crap. Not happy at all. I'm bloody shit as a cut snake. Not happy. Look at it. Shit. Alright guys, so at least we got a 1 kilo ingot. I've calmed down a little bit now. So that'll polish up nice. And I've cleaned it up. There it is there. So that's what it looked like. But should I, you tell me in the comments, should I clean it? Should I just cut that up and just keep that as a thing? Because it's got a flat bottom. It's got a flat bottom. I can clean that up. And then just keep the handle. And we can try the sword thing later. I'll just get the proper sand. Because I made up my own sand. It was just a disaster. Or should I just cut the whole thing up and go again? I don't know. At least you can see some detail there. There's a little bit of detail. Look at that. So, I don't know. Should I cut it around there and clean it up? Just clean up all the flashings off it and just weigh it and stamp on the back how much it weighs, bronze. Or should I just remelt the whole thing? Alright guys, you've seen the fail. You got to learn. You learn from your mistakes, don't you? So anyway, there. Alright guys, I've decided to cut it up and just give it a bit of a buff. So we've got a cross. So later on I'll probably polish it up. But anyway, we've got a cross. So I'll have to get some proper sand and do it later. So there you go. So we got that, and I'll just give that a quick sand up. And the remaining, there is the remaining part of the sword. So we're just gonna, so that's the entry point. That was part of the blade. There you go, another part. That was the end of the blade. So we'll keep all this bronze for later. That was the middle part of the blade. Bit of a dismal effort, but anyway, doesn't matter. So there's some bronze scrap. A little bit disappointing. I am disappointed, but you learn, don't you? Not everything can work out perfectly every time, so don't feel bad. Happens to me, happens to everyone. But hey, we got a cross out of it. And actually what we'll do is we'll weigh the cross. It's going to be a heavy bloody... just let me move this stuff around. It was going to be a heavy sword anyway. So what do we got? 0 gram. Oh, it's ounces. Grams. Here we go. I'm guessing... 2 kilo. Oh, 1 3/4. So that's 1/2 of the handle. So it's going to be like 3 kilo handle, and then the rest of it was probably going to be another 1 or 2 kilo for the blade. It's going to be like a 5 kilo sword. And mind you, that's freaking heavy. So that'll polish up really nice, I reckon. Just let me get the other bronze ingot. Sorry, I'm moving you around. Get the other. Here is the other one. So this one here, this is the same material. These two are the same material. So that could look like that, and this could look like this if I polished it up. So anyway, we've got a bronze cross. Wasn't a total failure. Would have been nice to pump out a sword. Alright, cheers guys. There you go.